it was a total mess. It's like a small puzzle. Wow. I am super excited to unbox and review the Layers laptop skin today. There been a lot of buzz around this brand lately, especially after one of their recent product launch. The founder even claimed that it's India's top rated skin brand. Let's see if the India top rated skins brand laptop skin lives up to the hype. I'm actually really impressed with the packaging. The laptop skin is so well protected that it won't get damaged or crumbled at all. Alright, let's get started with unboxing. This gap between cardboards are incredibly tight, which is great for increasing the packaging strength. But how can someone will take it out without turning it upside down and shaking it? The box looks really cool, and the cardboard box design is very nice. It's also a bit textured, which adds to its appeal. Now this really increasing my hopes of having a very high quality laptop skin inside. But let's see how it turns out. Here's how the packaging looks like for your reference. I have included different sides and angles. And at the bottom of the package, you will see Layers branding. If you look at the package, they have mentioned some of their claims like trendy design, textured design, dust and scratch proof, thin and durable, vibrant and colorful, and retains the original feel of the laptop. We are going to check if all the claims are true or not soon. Stay tuned. I said packaging was good earlier, but I am taking it back a bit. Look at this, guys, it's like a small puzzle. How do you open this box without destroying it? I was almost about to give up, but then I found right way to open it. However, it would be great if there was a clear indication on the box. It should be opened from here, or at least if the logo position was changed to be horizontal. This way someone who opens will have a clue. I think the packaging is good, but the unboxing experience could be better. This is the laptop skin which I bought and I am excited to share it with you. Let me know what do you think in the comments. Now let's get this laptop skin applied. It's going to be so cool. These are the instructions they provided for applying on the laptop. To be frank, these are pretty useless. Now let's get this laptop skin applied. It's going to be cool. I am thinking the whole packaging instructions they tried to be more cool than being more informative and useful. Wow, this skin feels really textured. I'm not kidding. It's quite noticeable. We have a cloth for cleaning and a card with instructions on how to install it. Hey, here is a cool trick. Whenever you have a rolled sheet, just roll it backwards. Voila, it will be plain as pancake again. This way you can easily handle rolled sheets without any hassle. I am following the instructions which they have provided. Step 1, unwrap it, which we have already done. Step 2, clean it thoroughly. They mentioned clean it like a minute. Oh boy, I am really going for it here. And step 3, apply it all at once. But will I be able to do it? If I can do it all at once, trust me, you definitely can too. I tried installing the laptop skin by aligning the edges, but it was a total mess. The logo was misaligned and the laptop skin tore during the process. It's so thin and it's easy to tear, and I'm not happy about it. I think the instructions could be clear. As a second try, I tried installing the skin by aligning with the logo first. So this gave me success. I'm able to stick it on my laptop finally. So far, for around 1000 Indian rupees, I basically got a sticker for my laptop. And guess what? There are no clear instructions how to install it. I'm really impressed with how this skin texture looks and feels. I think I'm going to love it. If you're wondering if you should buy this laptop skin, I would say it's not a must have since it won't add any extra functionality to your laptop, but it can help protect your laptop from minor scratches and make it bit look nicer aesthetically, and it's all about aesthetic.